Hello, we are Toy Stories TV and today we'll look at the cat ride-on. This one comes in yellow and black color. It's suitable for kids 1 year and older. It can be used as a ride-on, or if the kids cannot ride, it can be used as a push-up. So it's really suitable for any age. It comes in a good size, so it can be suitable for younger or older kids as well. It has 4 wheels and they can turn left or right, so it's a really proper ride-on. It can be used for going out in the park, and it's also quite good for driving inside. It has 4 music buttons in front. Beep beep. I think the kids will love to use it. This ride-on is from the MEGA BLOKS series, so if you have other parts from the MEGA BLOKS, you can use to build here at the side. You can add walls to towers and change how your ride-on looks. Also, it comes with a toolbox, which you can open, and let's see what's in front. It has a real tool set which you can use to play and fix your ride-on. It's with nice round edges, so it's absolutely safe to be used. Also, all these tools can be put on the side as well. And a screwdriver, which you can use on the toolbox like this, and it really works. So it's absolutely a great toy for kids. Thanks for watching Toy Stories TV. Subscribe for our channel. Thank you.